Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fiona here, coming to you with another video. Okay, so what I'm here to teach you guys was actually requested via Instagram. I posted what kind of videos do you guys want me to see. I'm going to post a lot of that so that I can just make them and post it. But someone said they want to see how to do graphic liner looks. Cheap way to do graphic liner looks without actually spending so much money on graphic liners, right? So I was like, oh, okay, I got you, boo. You can use a white concealer or you can use a white face paint. So I'm just gonna pour that face paint. I actually added too much, but I'm just gonna separate them so I can do different colors on each side. Grab you a palette that you don't mind spoiling. I want to do like a yellow purple kind of thing, so I'm gonna break this purple and pour it on there. This is it on my hand. This is for the purple one. That's how it looks. But yeah, that's it, looking really thin. So yeah, that's how it looks. I think it's me showing you guys how you can do it different color. You can literally do it any color. Okay, so now I'm just layering on the pink and the blue. The blue wasn't really working with me that much, so I had to go back and layer it on there constantly until it looked more pigmented. This concludes the video. I just showed you how you can make your own graphic liners using your eyeshadow palette and a white concealer, and then you can get a flawless, nice graphic liner look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and follow me on Instagram at flawless_Fiona, on Snapchat at QueenFiona2, and on TikTok and Twitter at Stay by Fiona. And I'll see you guys later.